Okay, hey my red dolls, how y'all doing? Welcome back again to another video of your girl. Yes, you guys are welcome. And if you're new here, you're welcome. But if you've already been here, if you've been an OG here, you know how things go down here. You're very much welcome to this humble family. It's all fun, craziness, and you know, skincare, hair, and everything, blah 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 on here. So yeah. Okay guys, so my hair is folded to the back. Yeah, I had to do that. And guys, so basically in today's video, I'm gonna take you guys through my skincare routine at night that I do not do every day. But nights like this, I love, it's special to me, so I take it very sacred. I love lighting candles, you know, just relaxation is all about relaxing, because let me tell you, adult life, it's never easy. I don't care who you are or how much money you've got, it always comes up with new problems every single day. But guys, my chin is a whole vibe though. Like, shout out to the people who smoke, they're on my channel. Please, if you're a child, don't smoke here too. It's not meant for you. This particular week has been the most stressful week of my entire life, of my entire being, guys, when I tell you. So guys, I decided today, you know, your girl's just gonna treat herself because my skin is dead. I'm sure my skin complains to me because even the acne are popping out, you know. Also, I'm gonna be trying, for the first time in my life, I'm gonna be trying turmeric on my face. I mean, I've tried turmeric when I was going to school, but I've never used turmeric powder on my face, and today's the first time. And I've heard so many good things about it, so I was like, okay, fine, you know, today let's come try it and see how it repairs the skin. Like, guys, so this is my skin with makeup. I didn't have makeup on, I would have just gone straight to the point, but obviously we cannot skip this because that thing is shining through my face, baby. And guys, when I tell you, my skin is dead. I'm just gonna be wiping that, basically. I'm coming to wash my face now, and I'm using the Visibly Clear Pink Grapefruit Facial Wash. And I'm sure you guys know by now, me and my Neutrogena, it's everlasting. We died together. We died. I'm cleaning my face, and as you guys can see, guys, you see the acne on my face? Like, I could feel my skin is rough while I'm passing my fingers through it. And guys, this is the turmeric powder. I'll link where I got this from in the description below, so you guys can see and everything. So this is my, like I already told you guys, this is my first time using a turmeric powder, and I heard it gets yellowy on your face. I heard when it gets yellowy you could use milk, watery milk, to like clean that. Pour a little bit in here, so I'm just gonna take the small one, not plenty. Okay, it smells like cayenne pepper, that's how it smells like. I'm gonna be pouring honey to make a paste out of it, yes. And as y'all know, honey has a lot of great benefits, like to your skin. Be gentle with it while you're mixing it, because the turmeric is powder, so if you do any rush, it might fly into your face. So you have to be careful. I'm sure some of you know that turmeric is really, really good for your skin, but I'm not really dig into it, so I don't really know all the benefits of it. Okay guys, so basically this is how it turned out. It's amber shit. I messed it off while taking it off, but as long as, you know, you guys get the whole point, it's supposed to be underneath the eye. And now I'm just gonna be applying that. Wow guys, I'm so scared right now because this is my first time applying turmeric on my face. What if it reacts to my skin? But Anyway, we're still gonna do that shit though. Guys, literally, the thing resembles shit, and it doesn't really have a. I mean, the smell is not horrible, but it doesn't smell nice. Like, nice. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe I am traveling. Yes, guys, in case you don't know, I'm traveling to Abuja. Yes, guys, I am traveling to Abuja. And you guys have already seen in my video the reason. And the location is Nigeria. And guys, I feel so like. It feels weird. I don't feel anything bad going there, but it just feels weird. Like me coming to Ghana the first time. That's how it feels. But this time it's even better because, I mean, I know people there, so it's fine, I guess. But yeah. I'm excited. Girl, what happened to my skin? I look... Shit. Well, fuck. I didn't know it was gonna turn out like this. Like shit. Okay, guys. So basically, I guess I'm just gonna go wait like a couple of minutes till that dries out. Guys, I am super. I'm not just super scared. I am freaking scared right now, guys. Like, what if I take this off and my skin resembles like this? The fuck? Okay, let me drink to that. After removing this, I'm basically gonna tell you guys how the turmeric treated my face and if it made things worse or if it actually worked. As people say, it is good for your skin. I mean, using it before, I never really noticed any change on my skin. Truth be told, maybe I didn't use it often enough because I remember using it maybe like 1 time or 2 times. But maybe using it 1 time or 2 times doesn't make any difference. But at least something is supposed to show for that, right? Okay. So yeah, but I mean, it looks like shit. But I just hope it doesn't leave the yellow thing on my face. I hope so. Cause I'll kill someone. Show you guys, did you guys see the beginning when I put that? And look at my skin now. Guys, I tell you, this look like poop. Like, okay guys, so after removing the excess, now I'm just gonna go rinse my face off. Guys, my face peeled. Oh my god. My face definitely feels smooth, but it's a little bit yellowy. Now I'm going to wash it now with the facial wash and see. First, after rinsing off the turmeric from my face, I didn't like the way my face looked, and I used the facial wash again, and I think the yellowiness is gone. I don't know if you guys can see it, and my skin actually feels, I don't know how my skin feels. It doesn't feel the usual way. It definitely feels soft on my palm. So you guys will see the beginning, and this is how my skin looks, and there is absolutely no products on my face right now, just after the facial wash and this is my dumb skin. Okay guys, so I'm putting my toner now, and this is basically from here now onwards, it's just the usual, the normal. If you haven't watched my night skincare video yet, you can go watch it. I'll link it down. I'm gonna be using my serum. Okay guys, so after applying my moisturizer, this is my last step. And guys, I usually like using my Vaseline. Ow. Okay guys, so you see my lips is totally dry, and I smoke, so if you're someone who smokes, this is perfect for you. Like, hold on, so you see the magic. You see that? You see that? You see that? So imagine if it take a few minutes. Anyway, my rent gang, that's it for this video. Good night. Y'all have fun. I love you all. If you've reached up to this point, make sure you subscribe. I don't know if my face is yellow or not. I'm really a little bit tipsy. If I'm not seeing properly, do not blame me. But yeah, I felt like my face was yellow at first, but then after washing my face, it became okay, and I feel like my face is okay. I love the way it feels though. I love the way it feels. Like, I love it. It feels so soft. And when I was washing my face, there was something here, guys. It came off. Like, do you see how smooth my face became? Like, I love it. I love it. If this continues like this, I might end up using it frequently. I mean, if it works that much or that well, why not? It's just a little bit disgusting though. Like, I resemble poo. Okay, my gang, that's it for this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, you're welcome to the humble family. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit that bell button to be receiving, more notification from your girl. This video no go anywhere, so you go and subscribe. Are you done? You're welcome to this new family. See you guys in another video very soon. Bye.